and this is get method or no request body parameter. Okay, so we need to adjust the dashboard. So just at the rate, let's get retrofit. Okay, and here we need to pass dashboard. Okay, fun, it's a suspend function, so suspend function then fun, and method name is dashboard. Inside parameter nothing, but we required response, so it's a response with the API model or HTTP. We need to check here, any API you can check. It's a response with the model only. No, response with the retrofit. Okay, inside resources will be our model, and then you can put any object, right? So response will be retrofit, and then it will be a resource will be Raj help model, right? And inside we need to pass a object. So right now we have any, right? But no, I have the values, these values, right? So how to get? So just you need to go
create a model
to here and create a package. The name is model. Okay, and inside you can create a Kotlin class with the name, with the help of name
home model.
Home, you can consider like, okay, home model. Okay, but don't require something like that. You can consider you have JSON, right? So you can choose from JSON, Kotlin data file with the JSON. You need to put the JSON object here. The class name will be home model, and no, it's not generated. Okay, the one parameter is missing, right? So generate the model. Okay, so it will be converted into a different X, right? But we already putting here, so this type of not required, because here it's not passing the actual the values, and this type of variables we don't require. We need to require like this type of model, right? So just delete it, not required this one. So we can go here and we can create a Pojo schema model. Hey,
तो कौन सी मॉडल
अगर लगी ये तो बहुत ही, ये श्री मी गई पोजो SCHEMAMODL something. So Pojo schema to Pojo, not JSON schema to Pojo something. So you need to put here, this one is missing. So select the JSON, select the JSON, select the validation, the double number, and just preview. So you will get those values. So example here, and this one is transaction status. So you need to just copy those values here and just put it here. Okay, so it will be automatically converted. So serializable name is total underscore wallet. See, the here, no, where here, yeah. So the key is named same, right? But in our value it's like total and camel case, so it will be perfect for me, right? So it's a valid, no, not required. And you need to create one more class here, like class, put it here and paste it, right? And just you need to copy from here this values and just put it, okay? Now I want not class, I want data class, okay? So for data class we need to pass directly object, directly a constructor. So just remove those values into this one, and this one will be like comma separated, so you need to put comma separated. This one is work for you. Again here convert into a data. This is only one time, okay, not much time, and it's fine. So model will be workable for us. So we need to put it here like home model. Got it? So this one, my service layer is done, nothing else, okay? Now we need to go to here and we need to create a one class, not interface, no class, just interface. The name is home repository, right? Is this correct? Yeah. Okay, and here we need to put similarly, so you can just copy, go to here and just put it, but here not required the response, directly resource, okay? That's it, it's over in the home repository. Now we need to go to implementation. So now we need to create a class, the name of home repository impl, okay? But this repository will be extended by iRepository, okay? iRepository will be consider all those things like the handle, the request, what is the success or response. Don't require all those things repeatedly. That's why we are creating a different interface. So interface can easily extend or implement, right? So we can put it here as a extend, right? So all the values will become here also. So now we need to go here, and now we need to put like this implementation, we need to put it here. So what is the name? The name repository, right? Something, just implement the methods. So dashboard will be here, right? But inside it's just required a return value. Return value is what? Resource home model, right? But inside it's a suspend function and some values. So we need to put it here, constructor, but we are using dagger hilt, so we need to put something like inject, this one, okay? And constructor, and inside we can like private, well, we need to create an object, home API. So just put it home API here, okay? And inside we need to write a code, our affix pattern. So you need to use just a pattern, just copy these values, you need to put it here. These the handle response and handle request. Handle request, it will be came from iRepository, and handle response will be come up also the iRepository, but inside a function. and this is the response actual. This is the callback. You can check. This is callback, right? So inside we need to put some values. So we need right now we need to put home with the dashboard and nothing pass any value. That's it. This will be call. It will be wait for while the getting the response. So handle the response, and this response will be considered as a response, and this response will be written by this. So actual the value will be get this one. Here it's over. So this repository will be over. Done. API is done. Now we need to go to here. No, not here. Here. Right? Here we require the what object? Repository, home repository object. So similar like again it's a dagger hit. So we need to put @inject constructor. Just we need to put it and private val home repository. So it will be come up, right? So now I have some live templates. So just I'm using API calling. So it will be automatically. I will give you all those things. So you can also. So right now the dashboard, right? No. Yeah. So dashboard, and here we need to pass home model, right? Inside the live data, talking about the live data. So this one is mutable live data, and inside we are putting a object. So which type of object? A resource inside this one. Resource we are created, right? So why we are putting here? So in a resource we can put any type, and this type will be covered here. Okay, so other parameter will be directly put it, and this one will be considered. So here, and while we are calling like loading, so T will be here and return will be response, like so loading status, this one data will be null, and this one will be message. So this function will be automatically create same times. This is live data, and here we need to pass home model. Inside request parameter, nothing anyone, we don't require any, pass the value, and the view model scope with the launch, and here first we need to put loading status. So this one will be called automatically by live data and observable, right? So loading will be appear, and second time we need to pass the home repository dot dashboard. So whatever the result will become up here, and observable will be called. So now we need to go to home fragment. Here first we need to call to the API. So how? We need to first put it here, the object of the home view model, right? So here like private val view model, home view model by view model, and here we need to pass like home model. That's it. So dagger will be considered all those things, and it will be come up here. Okay, and we can also remove those things, it will be work. Okay, so home view model, go to here, home view model dot dashboard. So function will be called, and in the upper side we need observable. So see, the dashboard is, it's a live data we are declared. So this one dot observe, this one is observed. First parameter will be lifecycle owner and second parameter will be observable or something callback. So observe view lifecycle owner, and second parameter will be considered like handle dashboard result something. So I have another live template, so I am using directly handle result. So come up, just put it, and here it's home model and go to last. So this one is just a function which the parameter is result directly resource home model. This will be come up here. So while we are setting loading, so this one function will be called. No need to. Oh, this is fragment. We need to pass base fragment. So this will be called. Don't write again and again. So I am creating a base fragment and this one will be calling here. So this one will be extend. See the extend. Okay. So this all the function will be called into a child. This one will be so toast. So toast will be this one. So it will be work. Okay. And whatever the result will become up here, we need to just put it into our design. That's it.
With the activity.
All those things is done.
Oh no, maybe yeah.